I'm Adam.
I'm Faith, and this is Sage.
Hello, Sage.
Where do you live?
In Bath. Please.
Hey everyone, it's Adam here. The guys are just down there checking out the water. It's time to do a little bus tour of our little home. Come in. So first up we've got pantry, just bits and bobs, pretty standard. The Medic 110 litre, I think, I'm pretty sure. It's pretty loaded, lots of nice goodies in here, fresh produce, try and eat clean. Got the old turmeric, got quite a lot of turmeric, don't know what we're going to do with all that. Homemade mustard, smoothie for later. It's a bit of a, oh, I don't know what's in that one, veggie stock. Yeah, try and do anything from scratch. It makes it heaps easier with the thermo and keeps everyone happy and healthy. It's the front here, got emergency toilet, and for Linky and Sage, these two little guys sit up the front here. Me and Fee spot, little spot for the surfboard. Okay, above the driver's seat we've got some storage up in here. It's pretty packed, a few games, ticket to ride. Move down here, got the kitchen, Thermomix. Big part of our cooking is with the Thermomix. Yeah, cupboards, all kitchen stuff down there. Got Lincoln's bed here. It's got a little fan in there, just a bit of airflow, and Sage sleeps above him. Back down to the end of the bus, our bed's up the top. It just works on a pulley system and it just drops down onto our bed, onto the kitchen table. Suspended on the pulleys. Made. So we've got seats down here, all storage underneath and storage in the back here. So we've got a bike trailer, we've got bikes on the back, and here's where the guys' toys are.
Boys' wardrobes are here. So this is Lincoln's wardrobe and Adam's wardrobe, and that's kind of like underwear up there. We have a whole bunch of books for them to read. Some more storage down here. So this is Sage and my wardrobe. So these pull out, and that is my wardrobe. And Sage has one as well. They work quite well.
Down the back of the bus we've got our table, which also converts and slides down level here to make a platform for the kids to play at. Tables down, just to give you an idea. That's what our little platform looks like, so little Sage can have a chill. Somehow Loki manages to still squeeze under there.
Sushi.
You want some sushi?
Bananas. Carrots.
What are you doing, Bubs?
Carrots. Medine.
Dinner time at the Crawley household. We've got a citrus quinoa salad. Just had friends over for lunch today. We had 3 adults and 4 kids sitting at this table and 3 dogs in the bus as well. It was pretty hectic, but it was really fun.
Up the top we've got our control panel for all our lights, water, extractor fan. This tells us what our battery's at. USB port 12 volt, and that's for our fridge. We've got instant hot water, so it's set at 60 degrees. We probably only get about 45 out of it. And our water tank levels, and this is for the Thermomix, so it's our inverter. Okay, back outside the bus, on the outside here, had to cut a hole in. It's our instant hot water system. It's gas bottle storage. It was fun cutting that in the side. We've got a outdoor shower. It's got hot water in this bad boy. It's not the best spot for it because of the bikes. This side is just where our water tank fill-ups are. So yeah, just cruising, staying in an awesome spot today. Look, all the guys are out exploring. They're down there somewhere. And that's our bus. Solar on the top. Oh yeah, I forgot about the extractor fan. Got an extractor fan, it's amazing, it's so good, recommend it. Any questions, just flick us a message and I'll try and do another video on it.